Okay, my name is Mihi Kwan. I'm Korean and I am the mother of two boys. My second one, Minjun More, is joining GMP last April. And from this year, he joined extended program as well. After joining GMP, my son, Minjun, actually, I can see his development from every angle. I mean, first of all, he enjoyed to go to school. He is really happy to be with teacher and friends and auntie, staffs, everybody. He has a lot of interaction with them. And he enjoy variety of program like drawing and then some special activities like, for example, let's say community helpers recently. So some doctors or drivers and some special program he joined together with other kids as well. And he explained to me after joining, oh, mommy, I did this, and then so that was something very special to me. And yeah, I mean, other than that, even extended program, every Monday he's doing dancing with his teacher. He enjoy that one, singing and ABCD learning, numbers. So overall, actually he explained what he done during the program, and he's very happy actually, yeah. Actually, last year when he joined, because of COVID, actually there are very few students, and because of that, I think teachers are really deeply taking care of every child, and that's how I think he very fast he built up, how can I say, the bonding with the teachers, and then I feel like teachers for nursery, the most important thing is the warm heart and the passion and taking care of the kids and positive feeling about the community and society. In that sense, I feel very much impressive. The teachers interacting with him, and then a lot of communication with me as well. So I was very comfortable, and my kid also really comfortable and loving all people around him. Yeah. Yeah, actually, for let's say example, the alphabet learning. For me, I didn't learn Montessori's way, ABCD. I just learned ABCD, but here, their learning is a bit different from others, I feel. More like phonetic basis. So he, from songs and then different activity, I think he captured the alphabet learning from the Montessori way, and then he even explained about that to me. I didn't know about that way, so okay, interesting. And yeah, numbers and some sensory program also, I understand they are doing special some tours in school, and I could see their activity from every week. Actually, every Friday, they are showing that weekly activity photos. So, okay, you learn this, and I communicate with my kid as well. And yeah, it's that GMP looks a bit special compared to other normal kindergarten program. Regularly, there is an assessment period, so I could get some report. But usually, I am coming to school to drop him or pick him up after school, and the teachers always come to me, and then today he did this one, and then it's something special what he activity, then they explain to me. So actually I follow up his daily program, and then what happened during the class. So Yeah, actually, the communication with the teachers quite good, and then even via WhatsApp, any special notification or anything, then WhatsApp or email. So variety of communications are happening actually. Actually easy because when he was young, he exposed to multi races naturally. From my side, Korean people, Korean friends, and my family, and from his father's side, Indian friends, Indian people. So actually, he doesn't feel any problems when he goes to any kind of environment. He just mingle with them, gel up with them very quickly. He doesn't have any different feeling actually. Appearance. Oh, okay. Some people, skin color or shape, eye color, everything looks different. So for him, it's very natural. Everybody looks different. Everybody unique. So he doesn't have any issue. Yeah. Yes, actually very smooth. Yes, very smooth. I mean, of course, because of my first son also joining together with the IB program, so we are coming together. That is maybe helpful because he was not alone on the way to school. But even in the classroom, I didn't feel anything. Of course, maybe first day, second day, new people, new teacher, new friends. But within, I think, 1 week, quickly, he just enjoy and then mingle with everybody in the school. So I didn't have any issues with his adjustment to the new environment. Yeah. I think I can say he progressed a lot. Let's say the expressions, the words. Sometimes I'm also surprised. Oh, where did you catch this word? I never taught you. Oh, from school, from teachers. Yeah, so sometimes I'm surprised, and then has very much confidence compared to 1 year ago. That time he was more like a baby, but now he's confidently saying, "Oh, I'm a big boy. I'm not a baby. I'm not crying." Even if, let's say, now he's practicing that ramp work for the ceremony, I guess for the K2 graduation ceremony. But in the dark, but I never cry. I enjoy the activity, so I can feel his self-confidence and quite a strong. How can I say? He knows what he is doing actually, and then he loves to express what he is doing, and he loves to help others as well. So I got a feedback from teacher. I mean, thanks to Minjun, actually he is doing something in front of people, in front of his peer groups. So let's say some, tumbling or something, some physical activity, others was hesitating, but because of Minjun did it first, so others also follow. So actually, teacher saying, I very appreciate because thanks to Minjun can be my assistant in the class. So it's so happy to have him in my class. So okay, I mean, I think because of that, he always say, okay, I need to do it for my class, for my friends as well. Definitely, leadership quality he developed. I think recently, I think more and more children are joining. So initially, it was very small group, but now becoming more and more. So I guess he feel very happy. I can see more friends in my class. And he doesn't have any. He enjoy to do something in front of, I think, peer groups. I can really feel it. Every day he is explaining what he's doing in the class. Yeah. Yes, I mean, for the moment, we just plan to joining until K2 extended program, continuing, same as current and nursery extended. And afterwards, like my first son, most likely I think IB PYP program joining. So maybe if we don't have any other special issue in my family, maybe I think he can continue maybe until, I don't know, maybe secondary, high school. Yes. I feel. I mean, the main reason why we also joined this Montessori program is because we want to just continue. Continuity is also one of the main factor. No need to change to other schools, and so for him, no, he loves schools, and then he is like, I can say. He feel like I'm the ambassador of GIIS from nursery, and then already whenever he see other big boys in this school, canteen, grab and go here and there, I think he just okay, they are my friend also. Yeah, so even if he is just a small nursery kid, but he feel that big boys are my friend already. So I think our place also very close to school actually, and school also for him like a second home. Yeah. Yeah, I think the GMP program is nice. Considering the cost also is quite affordable level, and the quality is good. And I mean the teachers and the school environment, school building, and everything was quite lovely. And I think the atmosphere is very cozy and warm feeling. And of course, they can also learn a lot of things from variety of programs. So I strongly recommend parents to send their children join GMP. Yeah. Initially, actually, as a non-Indian, my husband is Indian actually, and then before we were in local school, and my husband is strongly let's try GIIS. I mean, first of all, the identity, okay, and then secondly, we feel like it's the international GMP, GIIS programs are something different from the local line, and we can see the difference actually. My kids, they experience both ways. So my first one also, when I talked to him, he say he is really also enjoying here. And then, do you want to be back? No, he want to just continue here. And then my first one is also showing very happiness to my second one, and the second one is just naturally following my first one. So yeah, I mean, provided my kids are very happy, and then every day they are really happily going to school, then actually as parents, that is the most important, I think. If let's say kids doesn't have, I don't want to go to school, then it's very stressful for. Actually, I had that experience before as well. So no, can I just stay at home? And then oh my God, I need to push. But actually, after joining GIIS, I really never ever pushed them to go to school every day. Themselves, they just, let's go. Okay, then, you are happy, then I'm also happy. Yeah.